Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make gift card in Shopify. So in order to do this, this is very simple. You have to go to products and now click on gift card, and now here I already make a gift card. Now we want to make a new one. Just click on issue gift card, and here you can see gift card is code is available here. You can also customize it, and here select the value. Like I select this value. You can also set the expiry date, or you can leave this option. So I'm just selecting the date here, and after that just click on activate, and now wait. So here you can see we have successfully make a gift card. You can also disable this. So you can also copy gift card code and send to any person. So in this way you can easily make gift card in Shopify.